The color of a t-shirt is probably one of the most important aspects of its design. It's the first thing you probably notice when you look at a t-shirt. T-shirt color plays a massive role in sales, and if you own a t-shirt business, it's a good idea to go with some of the more popular colors. I'm Grace from PrintBest, and in this video, we'll be going through some of the most popular t-shirt colors, what other colors go well with them, and why they're so popular. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Share this video with your friends to help them out as well. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in. Number 1, black. Black is, by many estimations, the most popular t-shirt color in the world. First things first, the great thing about black is the fact that almost every other color goes great with it. You can print almost any kind of graphic on a black t-shirt and it'll look appropriate. Of course, there are exceptions as well with any color, but black is arguably the most versatile color when it comes to this. On top of that, many customers tend to prefer black for a variety of different reasons. Black can hide certain flaws, while at the same time, it can attract more attention to the face. On top of that, black simply looks more elegant to a lot of people. It's one of the most basic and most popular colors, and it's appropriate for almost any occasion. This makes black a pretty safe option. Every single t-shirt store you see right now will have a wide variety of black t-shirts for sale. The fact that it's a safe option for customers means it's a safe option for the seller. Black also tends to go well with everything else in your wardrobe. For example, you can wear blue jeans, white jackets, or any other color you want with a black t-shirt. The same can't be said for a lot of other colors where you'd probably have to coordinate certain styles. Number 2 is white. White is a very popular t-shirt color for a lot of the same reasons that black is. For the most part, it's a very safe option for a lot of people. It doesn't stand out or attract too much attention. It generally goes well with almost every other color, sometimes even to a higher degree than black does. White t-shirts tend to be more popular in the summertime than in the wintertime, in contrast to black t-shirts, which are more popular in the winter. Out of all the light colors, white is probably the most popular. The reason why white is so great is that it's sort of like a blank canvas for all kinds of different art and designs. If you'd like to check out how your designs would look on a white t-shirt or any other color, make sure you check out PrintBest's Mockup Generation tool. It allows you to use almost any kind of design you want, choose its placement, and just see how good a design would look on a t-shirt. The best part is that it's completely free. Of course, if you're happy with the end result, you can have the design listed on your online store, and every time someone places an order for that t-shirt, PrintBest will automatically be notified and have it printed and shipped straight to your customer in as fast as 2 days. Number 3, navy blue. Now that we're done talking about black and white, let's talk about some actual colors. Navy blue is amongst the most popular colors in the world for t-shirts. An untrained eye might easily confuse some of the darker shades of navy blue for black, and because of this, navy blue also offers a lot of the same benefits that black does. You still have to be a little careful about what colors go best with this one though. Red is probably the most common color combination used with navy blue, since both of these colors complement and contrast each other quite well. It's very versatile, going well with other colors like yellow and sometimes even green. Navy blue is also another color that's winter appropriate, although in recent years, it's also been quite popular as a summer color. Navy blue can make a t-shirt look a lot more formal. It's not as fun as some other colors, but it's also not as basic as black or white. It's a nice little balance between safe and fun, and it's really hard to go wrong with. Number 4, gray. Gray is one of the most versatile colors that you can use on a t-shirt. It's a color that requires very little upkeep, and you'll notice that great shirts you bought years ago might just look as good as new. The thing about gray is that there are a lot of different shades. There are darker shades that look a lot more elegant and formal, and on the other hand, there are a lot of lighter shades that look a bit more casual and fun for every occasion. Gray t-shirts also make a great canvas for graphics and text to be put on your t-shirt. Another thing about gray is that it doesn't really stand out. It's very easy to ignore the gray color and just focus solely on the design of the t-shirt itself. So if you want to create something that shows off your designing abilities, a brand logo or anything else like that on a t-shirt, gray might be a great color option for you. Of course, just to be on the safe side, you should definitely check out PrintBest's Design Mockup tool just so you know how it's going to look. It's incredibly easy to use and it's free. Number 5 is red. Almost every color we've mentioned in this video so far has been safe, But red is pretty much the exact opposite of safe. It's literally the color that's often used to indicate danger or warnings. It's a difficult color to pull off, and it's hard to find just the right color to go with it. However, red remains an extremely popular color for t-shirts. Wearing red is definitely going to attract attention and make you stand out amongst the crowd. With red being a color that stands out so much, it's often paired with more muted colors such as black or white. Red, of course, is also a color that's associated with love. If you're going for a romantic themed t-shirt, red is a pretty good option for you. If you're willing to take some risks, red can also look good with some other colors as long as you choose the right design. So now what are you waiting for? If you're ready to start designing t-shirts of a variety and different colors and sell them, make sure you go to printbest.com to get started. Today we learned what color t-shirts sell the most. What's your favorite t-shirt color? Let us know down in the comments. As well, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. See you for the next one.